is shaking. But how do we measure it? Seismic waves begin to travel. Instruments record the motion. Sensitive seismographs can detect movement across an ocean. A seismometer senses shaking, converting motion into data, creating records called seismograms for scientists to study later. Lines on a graph, signals in time, helping us understand the forces inside. Measuring earthquakes, recording every wave. Measuring earthquakes, the information that they gave. Magnitude tells how much energy was released, while intensity describes what people experienced. Measuring earthquakes, learning from every event. For many years the Richter scale was widely used to rate a quake, though today scientists often use moment magnitude for accuracy's sake. The scale is logarithmic in nature, not a simple step-by-step climb. Each increase represents greater energy released at the source over time. Different places may feel the shaking differently, depending on distance and geology. Lines on a graph, signals in time, helping us understand the forces inside. Measuring earthquakes, recording every wave. Measuring earthquakes, the information that they gave. Magnitude tells how much energy was released, while intensity describes what people experienced. Measuring earthquakes, learning from every event. Seismometers, seismograms, magnitude, intensity. Different tools for understanding Earth's activity. Each recorded signal adds another clue, helping scientists learn